everybody they will do this skill, and how to do it I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So firstly what you're starting to do, you take on knees and do press so like that, and now we're working with our breathe. So you get sit and breathe out and up. 2, 3 and stay 1, 2, 3. Take our hand and catching back leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and stay this side. Take a leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we will try slowly slide our right hand going in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and starting to push it. So 1, 2, 3 and relax. So 1, 2, 3 and working. Take it. 1, 2 and 3. Stay. So 1, 2, 3. Take 2 legs. Take breathe and slowly cool down. So 1, 2, 3. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, write me good comments, and go watching my another videos. So bye bye.